Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to install a carbon fiber grill onto your 2022 WRX. So first off, we're going to start off by removing 6 screws in the back of the grill here. So you see these, and then there's 3 more on the other side. So just use your Phillips bit and a drill if you have one, or you can just use a screwdriver or whatever you want, and remove those 6 screws. And so once you get the screws off, take a flathead screwdriver like this, and you're gonna want to slowly and carefully pry at the little clips that are holding in the grill. I like to start off on the actual bottom first, getting all of them unclipped and just slowly pulling away from the front, and then do the top, just like that. It comes out. So I forgot to show the front of this, but basically just grab your grill and and just set it in place, kind of like try to push it in where the clips go, and then go to the back side and with your hand, one hand on front and one hand on back, just slowly push in all the way around. This grill is it wasn't too hard to push in, but you did have to push some of the clips in a little bit harder than some of the others. And then you're gonna want to take your screws and you're gonna want to drill into the locations on the back, basically the stock same as the stock locations, but on this grill there's no pre-drilled holes, so you're just gonna want to drill new holes. And just like that, you have your new grill installed.